Welcome to Autism Mathematics. In this video, we have a circle with an unknown radius and then with a triangle inscribed in the circle. We know the dimension of the triangle. We are supposed to find the radius. Okay, now when we draw a line from the center to any part of the circle, that is the radius. So let's connect this line. Then let me draw this another line. So this is a radius. This is also a radius. Now to do it, let's find this angle. Let's label this angle as theta, because we know there is a relation between this angle and then the angle at the center from circle theorem. So this angle is twice this angle. If you're able to find this angle, we know the value of this angle, and then we use the concept of chord to find the radius. That is one method. Okay, now how do we find this angle? We know all the dimensions of the triangle. We know this side to be 13, this side to be 14, and then this side to be 15. So then this angle is formed by these two sides, and this side is facing this angle. So we can think of cosine rule. So using cosine rule, let's go back. So when we are using cosine rule, then this side squared is equal to this side squared plus this side squared. 14 squared is equal to 13 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times 13 times 15 cos theta. So we want to find this angle. Now 14 squared is 196. This is 169 plus 15 squared 225 minus, now 2 times this times that will give us 390 cos theta. Now we want to find this angle. Let's send this one to this side and then bring this one. So this implies that 330 cos theta is equal to 169 plus 225 minus 196. So we have 390 cos theta, which is equal to, when we add this and that minus 196, we are going to get 198. When we divide both sides by 390, this will cancel that. So we have cos theta being equal to, when we compute this, is 0.077. So if you want theta, it is cos inverse of 0.5077. Now when we do that, so theta becomes 59.4893. So we know this angle, and as I said from the diagram, angle POQ is twice angle PRQ. So which is 2 times 59.4893, and this will give us 118.98. Okay, and so if this angle is 118.98, this is a chord, and then this is a radius, this is a radius, and there is a formula for finding chord. Chord is 2r sine, assuming that this angle is alpha, then this will be sine alpha over 2, and we know chord to be 14, which is equal to 2r times sine 118.98 divided by 2. So we are having 14 is equal to 1.7231 radius. So to get the radius, we divide both sides by 1.7231. So our radius is equal to, when you divide, you get 8.25. So that is the radius. So therefore, radius of the circle is equal to 8.125. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video.